If you're watching this video, like and maybe even subscribe down here in this corner. Today, the star of the show is A minor. We are going to start on that A minor chord. That's an A, C, E. A minor, A, C, E. Now let's expand this chord family. If they ask for an A minor second chord, we're going to add the second note up in A minor. We're going to add that B. We're going to spell that A, B, C, E. A little crunch. A, B, C, E. If you need information on an A minor fourth or open fifth, that is on our A major video. Check that out. Playlist link in description. If we need an A minor 6 in this chord family, we're going to do an A and then the second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth note up from that, an F, along with our regular A minor chord, A, C, E, add that F. Ooh, little uncertainty in that fun color. A, C, E, F, that's A minor 6. And to get to our A minor 7, we're going to do an A, C, E, G. A minor 7, A, C, E, G, all white keys. Play on.